The Honda Civic has always been more than just a popular sedan. It is a car that represents balance between performance, reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. And at the heart of this balance lies the engine. Because no matter how good a car looks from the outside, what truly defines the driving experience is what happens when you press the start button. Honda has built a global reputation for making engines that are smooth, efficient, and incredibly reliable, and the Civic is one of the best examples of that philosophy. Over the years, the Civic has used different engines, but the core idea has always remained the same. Create an engine that feels refined in daily driving, yet confident and engaging when pushed. Let's start with the most common and widely known Civic engine, the 1.8-liter i-VTEC. This is a naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, meaning it does not rely on turbochargers to make power. Instead, it focuses on clean airflow, precise fuel delivery, and intelligent valve timing. The result is an engine that feels smooth, predictable, and stress-free in almost every driving situation. The i-VTEC system plays a major role in how this engine behaves. At low RPMs, the engine stays calm and efficient, perfect for city traffic and relaxed cruising. But as revs rise, the valve timing adjusts, allowing the engine to breathe better and produce stronger performance. This transition feels natural, not sudden. There is no aggressive surge, no drama, just smooth power building as you push the accelerator. What makes this engine special is not raw horsepower numbers. It is the way power is delivered. Throttle response is linear, meaning the car reacts exactly the way your foot tells it to. This makes the Civic very easy to drive, even for new drivers, while still being enjoyable for experienced ones. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. In normal driving, the Civic engine delivers excellent mileage for its class. It does not demand aggressive driving to feel responsive, which helps keep fuel consumption under control. Of course, when driven hard, fuel usage increases, but that is expected from any petrol engine. Reliability is where the Civic engine truly shines. Honda engines are known to last hundreds of thousands of kilometers when maintained properly, and the Civic is no exception. The use of a timing chain instead of a timing belt means fewer major maintenance worries over time. The aluminum engine block helps reduce weight while improving cooling efficiency, which contributes to long-term durability. In daily traffic, the Civic engine feels quiet and refined. Vibrations are minimal, and the engine rarely feels strained. Even during long highway drives, it maintains a relaxed character, cruising comfortably at high speeds without excessive noise or effort. This is the kind of engine that does not constantly remind you it is working hard, it simply does its job smoothly in the background. Modern Civic models introduced a different personality with the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. This engine was designed to meet modern performance and efficiency demands while keeping emissions low. The turbo adds a noticeable increase in torque, especially at low and mid RPMs. This means quicker acceleration, easier overtakes, and a stronger pull without needing high revs. Despite being turbocharged, this engine does not feel aggressive or difficult to control. Power delivery is smooth and controlled, making it suitable for everyday use. The turbo works quietly, adding strength rather than noise. It feels more mature than sporty, focusing on usable performance instead of excitement alone. Maintenance remains straightforward, but like all turbo engines, it requires proper care. High-quality fuel, regular oil changes, and allowing the engine to warm up properly are key to long life. When treated well, this engine is just as dependable as Honda's naturally aspirated units. One thing Honda consistently gets right is engine balance. The Civic engine never feels too weak, nor overly aggressive. It sits perfectly in the middle, offering confidence without intimidation. Whether you are driving in traffic, cruising on the highway, or accelerating onto an open road, the engine adapts to your driving style. Sound quality also plays a role. While the Civic is not known for a loud or dramatic engine note, it produces a clean, refined sound. At higher RPMs, especially in i-VTEC engines, there is a subtle sporty tone that reminds you of Honda's performance heritage. It is not loud, it is purposeful. What truly makes the Honda Civic engine special is how it fits into real life. It does not demand attention. It does not punish mistakes. It simply works, day after day, year after year. This is why the Civic remains one of the most trusted cars worldwide. People buy it not just for speed or looks but for peace of mind. In a world where many modern engines feel overly complex or fragile, the Civic engine stands out for its simplicity and dependability. It proves that you do not need extreme power figures to create a satisfying driving experience. What matters more is how the engine feels, how it responds, and how long it lasts. In the end, the Honda Civic engine is not about chasing headlines or breaking records. It is about balance. Smooth when you want comfort. Responsive when you want control. Reliable when you need trust. And that is exactly why, for so many drivers around the world, the Civic engine continues to be one of the best in its class.